Go. I hit you?
No.
Oh. I'll shoot myself in the foot. Wasn't so bad. Trevor, I'll shoot myself in the foot.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. How about our target's the other person?
How about we shoot this concrete block? Are you still filming? Still filming this? I thought so. I'm talking, nigga.
I shot you.
You did?
Yeah.
Where?
The back.
I didn't feel it.
You have heavy armor. Ah, my leg! Ah! Ow! It hurt.
Does it really?
What?
Does it really hurt?
Yeah, you got me in the leg.
Oh.
Shoot me in the chest. Wait, shoot me in the chest. Wait, no, and then it's gonna ricochet back.
I know, it's gonna hit me in the eye.
Like that.
Hey, what are we gonna shoot now? Let's shoot the basketball hoop.